Hi, welcome to this introduction of genetics about sexual and asexual reproduction. These first two pages are an overview of vocabulary. This is a great resource to refer back to for filling out the interactive slides. So there's 2 pages of vocabulary, and then here you have 3 different videos. Make sure you watch these videos to learn about this topic. Here's the first interactive slide. So each of these is a text box, and you have a word bank up here. So it says, genetics is the blank study of blank, or the passing on of characteristics from one blank to the next. So I'm going to choose words from the word bank here to put in here, and I can just type right in here. Genetics is the scientific study of heredity, and you would continue filling those out. Here it talks about generation, what a generation is. People in a family born and living during the same time and other information. And here you can actually type your name here. So my name is Ginny, and I can even make this bigger by clicking on the plus. And then you put your parents here and grandparents and other set of grandparents to show your family tree. And remember that your genetics is just one part of who you are. What you learn and the people that you live with, that's a big part of who you are also. Again, these slides are for you to use these words in the word bank. And here again, you're going to type all that you know about DNA. You can use the videos, you can use information you've learned on the slides, you could use information from the vocabulary at the beginning. Lots of different options. Here you're going to talk about inherited traits versus acquired traits. Acquired traits, things you've learned. So you have these and you just drag and drop them over. And here you have a word bank for the top. I'm going to go forward a little bit. And then you have all the different types of asexual reproduction. So here's a list of the types. And then you have videos about each of them. And you're going to take notes about each of these videos. And so you'll have a video on each type here. And then you have a project at the end. And there's a rubric. And you can start with a blank slide, or here is a template. I also wanted to show you a completed slide here. So you're going to, after doing these interactive slides, you'll have learned about asexual reproduction, how it involves one parent and the offspring are identical to the parent, or sexual reproduction, which involves 2 parents and you have genetic variation. So here's a sample of the slide. This isn't included in your slide deck, but I just want you to see, or you can actually do it on paper where you have each side of the paper, just like the slide, explain the 2 different types of reproduction. Remember that you do have a rubric, so make sure that you check the rubric and do an awesome job, and I hope you have lots of fun and learn a lot.